Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious red smoothie. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mixed berries, either fresh or frozen, for that vibrant color and flavor. Next, grab 1/2 of a ripe banana to add natural sweetness and a creamy texture. Don't forget 1/4 cup of fresh spinach. It's a great way to boost your nutrients without altering the taste. Finally, prepare 1/2 cup of your preferred liquid, like water or almond milk. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the mixed berries, banana, spinach, and your chosen liquid into a high-speed blender. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the larger pieces, then gradually increase the speed. Continue blending until the smoothie is completely smooth and there are no visible chunks of fruit or spinach. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more liquid, 1/4 cup at a time, until it's just right. Making a red smoothie is easy, and customizing it is even easier. To boost the protein content, consider adding 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. For an extra dose of healthy omega-3 fatty acids, stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. A dash of cinnamon can add a warm, inviting flavor profile to your smoothie. If you find it's not sweet enough, a few drops of maple syrup or a date can naturally enhance the sweetness. Experiment to find your perfect blend. Your vibrant red smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the smooth mixture into your favorite glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh berries or a sprig of mint. This not only makes it look appealing, but also adds a fresh aroma. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious red smoothie immediately for the best taste and maximum freshness. It's a fantastic way to start your day or refuel anytime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.